Y'all, I need a damn stretch. For real. I'm hot. Peace family. I'm in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Came to visit my sister and her girlfriend. Dinner for us this weekend. So me and mama came to visit. And I'm sitting out on the balcony now. It's very nice, chill vibes. We got me a little drink. Yeah, vibes. This is the second one. No, it's not. Yes, it is. What is called? A bartesian. Oh, wow. So, y'all, we are making a margarita on the bar, a spicy margarita on the bartesian. And Keisha gonna make it. Mix. Oh, wow. Cool. I love it. Oh. Oh, that's amazing. So it put like the perfect amount.
Yeah, so these like mixers. And that barcode, the machine reads it. So
wow. Say hey, CJ. I thought you was gonna talk to the people. You gonna be on TV? You said me? Yeah, you gonna be on TV. Grand Rising family. It is it is in the morning. I'm at my sister's house, y'all. I'm here by myself. See, what happened was last night we was at my sister's girlfriend's house, and then you know we was drinking and stuff over there and having fun and stuff, and then Mom and them went to the hotel, and then thanks for dropping me off, y'all. So I had my sister place to myself last night, and I really needed it. I just been needed to recharge, and it doesn't have anything to do with people, but it's, well, it does have everything to do with people, to be honest. What I mean by that is I haven't had time to myself in I don't know how long. Like, y'all know everything been going on around me these past 3 weeks to a month. It's just been so much going on. But anyways, put some clothes on, and then I'm going back over to my sister girlfriend's house today because we cooking out by the pool, and they ready for me to come back, and I'm tired still, but it's okay. And I know my hair look like Sonic the Hedgehog, but it's okay. We're going to take care of it, okay? See y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. So we're about to go poolside and cook some food today. That's the mood right now. It's kind of early still. It's not even 11 yet, but that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing today. Hey, Whiskey. Hey, sweet thing. What you doing? You on punishment right now? Huh, Whiskey? You on punishment? Oh, he's so sweet. Oh, my goodness. Ah, my sweet thing. Him so sweet. Say hi, my name is Whiskey. Whiskey James. And sweet thing. And I like 11 or 12 weeks old. I'm just sitting on that seat. You gonna sit on that seat? You should have got your son. You get those other ones out of there, babe? Or we beside them today? The water is cold, y'all, but the sun is beating. So nice today. Look at somebody's damn eyelash down there. Sus, what happened?
That table hot.
It's hot?
That table hot.
We gonna eat it anyway. We gonna eat it anyway. Mama Keys right there. Family, so this is the official outro of the vlog. Y'all don't mind me, I was drinking the iced coffee. It's like 10 in here editing videos and stuff like that, but yeah, as far as the outro, I enjoyed my weekend with my sister and Keisha. Hey y'all, we had fun. I got a nice tan from sitting by the pool. I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all might be able to see. It's kind of dark in here, so you might not be able to see exactly what's going on with my tanning, but look, I'm feeling like, you know, chocolatey right now. I embrace all shades of melanin. Hello. Footage of us at the pool in Lawrenceville, Georgia. We went to lunch at Papado's, and I think that was in Lawrenceville as well, but then we also went shopping. And I got some new outfits. I got some shoes, and I didn't really go too crazy because y'all know me. I'm really like a girly girl at all. Like, I'm not into a whole lot of that stuff. But please believe, y'all see me with some makeup on and I'm dressed up. I got my ego on, and I'm gonna kill them. I'm coming to kill them. I'm coming to slay them. Kind of ratchet that I didn't take y'all through the whole journey. But I wanted to enjoy my outing. I wanted to enjoy my getaway, because I do work a lot. Not work per se, but work, you know, grinding. And I wanted to enjoy my getaway. So, the next video that y'all see, I probably will be on another trip because I am leaving. I might do a pack with me video. I'm not sure. So, y'all might get a pack with me video before I leave on this next getaway. We'll see. We'll see. Y'all comment and let me know if y'all want me to do a pack with me video. Because, you know, some of y'all might think it's lame. Like my cousins. Don't worry about it, y'all. Trust me. I know what people like to watch. I know what people like to watch. You might not like to watch it, but I know what people like to watch. Most of the time anyways. In different crowds, you know, different situations. Something done to my hair. And probably go visit my granny. I miss her so much. These COVID restrictions been keeping families like separated, especially the elders. It's harder and it's more dangerous, like, to be around them and stuff like that. But anyways, y'all to see what I was up to. Once again, I don't have an opening date for my candle shop. And I'm gonna stop calling it a candle shop because it's more than a candle shop. It's more. It's candle shop and more. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just so excited, y'all. And it is a lot of work. It really is. And I never imagined a year ago that I would be doing this. Things, and you want to have them and you push forward to them, but you kind of just, you don't push yourself on a time frame, kind of. I didn't put myself on a time frame. Like, by the time I'm such and such age, I got to do this, or I got to have this, or I got to be doing this. I never put myself through that much pressure. You know what I'm saying? As far as business stuff goes, because it really is a passion for me. It really is a passion. What the hell was that? It's a passion for me, and of course, you know, get them dollars too. But I enjoy what I do, so it's like, you know, it's a beautiful thing. And I've had people reach out to me and just express how much I inspire them and things like that, because I started literally out the mud. I didn't know nothing about nothing. I researched everything on my own, and I'm still learning. I have people reach out to me and ask questions still. Some just want to ask questions just to be nosy, but some are genuinely focused on bettering themselves, elevating, focused on generational wealth and wanting something to leave behind for their kids, you know, a legacy. For this phase that I'm in right now, and I feel like it was in divine alignment, because although I've been manifesting greatness, I wasn't necessarily trying to manifest a store at this time, a storefront, because I was putting my energy into other things, but the universe has different plans for me, apparently. So everything is in divine order and divine alignment. There's been a lot of heartache and tragedy this year, thus far, you know, and this was just a beautiful thing to have to look forward to, and a project to work on, and me always radiating myself, radiating my soul. I mean, y'all, I really don't even know what else to say about that, because it's like this feeling inside of me that's like, I haven't cried tears of joy. And I know this is still just the beginning, because my mission, I have more than one. And I'm living my purpose. And it's so beautiful. But I appreciate y'all watching this video. I appreciate y'all watching all of my videos if you are subscribed. I love you. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a whole lot this summer. I ain't going to have no hot girl summer, because I ain't into all that. But look. And I'm still going to be doing my own damn thing. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Peace.